Welcome back to Bike Review Hubs, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews of the latest motorcycles, ATVs, and side-by-sides. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting utility sports side-by-sides of the year, the Redefines CFMOTO ZForce Z10. This machine is designed for riders who want to combine aggressive styling, raw performance, and practical versatility, all in one capable package. Design and styling. The 2026 ZForce Z10 comes with a bold and muscular design that immediately stands out on trails. Its sharp body lines, LED lighting package, and reinforced sport roof highlight its aggressive character. The seating position is ergonomically designed, offering comfort even during long, bumpy rides. With durable doors, skid plates, and rugged fenders, this UTV is clearly built to handle tough off-road environments while still looking modern and premium. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the ZForce Z10 is powered by a 999cc V-twin engine, delivering a strong punch of horsepower and torque. CFMOTO has tuned it for quick throttle response, making it ideal for both trail exploration and high-speed off-road runs. Paired with its advanced CV Tech transmission, it ensures smooth gear transitions and reliable power delivery, even under demanding conditions. With selectable 2WD and 4WD, plus locking differentials, riders get the flexibility to conquer mud, rocks, and steep climbs with confidence. Suspension and handling. The Z10 is equipped with independent dual A-arm, suspension in the front, and multi-link suspension in the rear. With long travel shocks that are fully adjustable, it delivers excellent stability and comfort over rough terrain. The wide stance and low center of gravity provide extra control, ensuring riders can push limits without losing confidence in handling. Technology and features. CFMOTO has equipped the ZForce Z10 with a digital TFT display, offering riders clear information on speed, RPM, gear selection, and more. Multiple drive modes allow customization of the ride, whether you want maximum power or controlled efficiency. Additional features like EPS, electronic power steering, make maneuvering effortless, even in tight or rocky sections. Utility and practicality. Beyond fun, the ZForce Z10 also doubles as a utility machine. It comes with a cargo bed and towing capacity, giving it the ability to haul gear, tools, or supplies when needed. With plenty of storage compartments, it blends recreation with real-world practicality, making it a great option for adventurers and workers alike. Conclusion. The 2026 CFMOTO ZForce Z10 is a complete package, offering power, rugged durability, advanced features, and stylish design. Whether you're carving through trails, exploring mountains, or using it for tough jobs, this UTV is built to deliver excitement and dependability. That wraps up today's review from Bike Review Hubs. If you love discovering the latest motorcycles, ATVs, and side-by-sides, don't forget to subscribe.